Hello everyone. Today I will show you how to fix laptop screen flickering on Windows 11. First, press Windows key plus Control plus Shift plus B. This will quickly reset your graphics driver and may solve the flickering immediately. If not, continue to the next step. Next, open the Task Manager by pressing Control plus Shift plus Escape. Observe carefully. If Task Manager itself flickers along with everything else, this suggests a graphics driver issue. If Task Manager remains stable and only other parts flicker, the problem may be caused by a faulty app. If it seems to be a driver issue, search for Device Manager in the Start menu, expand Display Adapters, then right-click your display adapter and select Update Driver. You can let Windows search automatically or download the correct driver from the manufacturer's website. Another step is to check your display refresh rate. Right-click on the desktop, select Display Settings, then Advanced Display, and change the refresh rate to a lower value. Observe if this stops the flickering. These steps will fix the error in most cases. Thanks for watching.